What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a phone to a 2020 Honda Pilot. I'm going to be connecting an iPhone to the Honda Pilot in this video. Other phones would be similar though. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings and open the Bluetooth menu and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen. First thing I'm going to do is come over here and click the phone icon in the top left corner. And then from here, we'll click Connect Phone. And if the maximum number of devices, if you're at 6 devices, you'll have to delete one, and it will prompt you to do that. But I'm going to click Connect Device. Now I'm going to grab my phone, and under the available devices, it'll pop up as hands-free link. So go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on the center screen. And it does. So on our phone, I'll click pair. And then need to click pair on the center screen as well. And now we're connected. And then from here, this will just ask what you want to use it for. You'll be able to select the functions, audio, phone, internet. And then on the phone screen, you'll also need to decide if you want to give it access to your contacts or not. But from there, you can see we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.